Turn on the app. Nothing. Will not connect. So they tell me to go to camera view. Connection. Camera view. And then connect, right? Control. Connect to aircraft. Nothing. So then they tell me press this and hold it. Okay. And then press this and hold it. They end up connecting each other. See? They connected. On this end, nothing. They keep fixing the module on this thing. I don't think that that's the problem. These two are not connecting. You guys need to figure this out and send me either both of these things brand new or a whole new controller. Why is it not connecting? I cannot get no connection. Nothing.